Dear children, I hope you all are able to understand that today we will discuss our topic body parts. We will learn the body parts, or you can say we will revise the body parts with the help of this video. Dear kids, in the picture you can see that we have many body parts. We are having different body parts, and many body parts are shown to you in the picture. But dear kids, we will only discuss about the main body parts. Dear children, as you can see the main body parts here in the picture. आपको पिक्चर में दिखाया हुआ है बेटा. The first one is given eye. As you know that we are having how many eyes? Two. Two eyes are there. Second one is nose. Nose means naak. Okay, we are having only one nose. एक ही nose है हमारा जो. Third is arm. Arm are shown to you ना. We are having two arms. Next one is leg. We can say the here one leg is shown in the picture, but actually we are having two legs, है ना. So these are our legs. Next one is knee. We are having two knees. It is shown in the picture. So observe the picture carefully. Next one is head. Everybody know that where is our head? It is at the top. Next one is ear. How many ears do we have, dear kids? Two. Yes. Next one is mouth. We are having only one mouth. And next one is hand. We are having two hands. Yes. So these are our hands. These are shown in the picture. Next one is foot. Sorry. It is foot. It is shown and we are having two. And both we call feet. Okay. As you can see in the picture, dear children, this is the picture of, yes, eye. We are having two eyes. And what we are doing with our eyes? Yes, we see with the help of our eyes. We see different things with the help of our eyes. Now you can see the picture of, yes, nose. This is the picture of nose. Everybody is having nose. And we are having only one nose. हमारा एक ही nose होता है. And this nose help us to smell. We can smell different things, or we can smell with the help of our nose. Whether that is bad smell, whether that is good smell, we can smell with the help of our nose. So it is the most important part of our body. So we should keep the nose clean. This is the picture of tongue. Everyone is having tongue, and we are only having one tongue. And with the help of our tongue, we can taste the different taste. That is whether the particular eatable is sweet, वो मीठा है. Whether it is sour, वो खट्टा है. Whether it is sweet, we can judge with the help of our tongue. And this tongue also help us to speak. Yes. So these are the most important function of our tongue. This is the picture of our ear. Actually, we are having two ears. And with the help of our ears, we can easily hear the different sound. हम जो हैं अलग अलग साउंड्स को अपने ईयर से हियर कर सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं. So this is also the most important part of our body. So we should keep our ears neat and clean. We should use the earbuds to clean our ear. Dear children, in the picture, which body part you are able to observe? Yes, this is our elbow. And we are having two elbows because we are having two hands, and in two hands we are having two elbows. And you can see arms also. So you can see two body parts here. First one is elbow and next one is arms. You can see the picture of our hands, and you can observe beta that in our each hand we are having 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Okay, and these are our hands, and it helps us to do many things. Without our hands we cannot eat our food, so it also helps us to eat the food. It helps us to hold the things. हम किन्हीं भी चीज़ों को जो भी पकड़ने की हम कोशिश करते हैं, so we do with the help of our hands. Dear kids, you can see the beautiful picture of a cute baby. And what baby is indicating the head by putting the hand on the head. Yes, he is very happy and he is showing the head. So it is the head. On our head you can see that the hairs are there. Yes. Dear kids, you can see the picture of our legs. We are having 2 legs, and these play very important role in our life, because with the help of our legs we can easily move from one place to another place. And in this picture you are able to see the knees also. Yes. Dear kids, now you have learned the uses of our body parts. Okay, but now we will revise them once again. What can you do with your body? Okay, beta, in this you can see the nose. Nose help us to smell. The boy is having a flower in his hand and he is smelling the flower. Okay, and which body part help him to smell? Yes, that is nose. Next one, you can see the picture of eyes. This is our eye. One eye is shown here. The boy is having binoculars and he is watching the things with the help of binocular, and in this he is using his eyes. So eyes help us to see. हमें देखने में help करती है बेटा. Next is the picture of our ears. We are having 2, I told you. You can easily understand from the picture बेटा. Picture से आप easily समझ सकते हो कि boy is listening the music. He is enjoying the music. And which body part help him to enjoy the music? That is our ears. So ears help us to listen. Next one is fingers. Fingers are shown. Yes. With the help of our fingers we can touch the different things. We can hold the different things. The boy is holding the book and he is touching the book with the help of fingers. Dear children, as you can see, a small poem is there. So I will recite the poem and you have to speak after me, or you have to follow me. You have to recite along with me, I can say. So the name of the poem first you can read is, that is All of Me. That is about me. That is about my different body parts. I love my different body parts. Okay. So let us start the poem. So everybody has to enjoy and everybody has to recite the poem. Okay. My hands are for clapping. Clap, clap, clap. My arms can hug tight, 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 tight. My fingers can snap or can turn out the light, 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 light. My legs are for jumping, jump, jump, jump. My eyes helps me to see, 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 see. This is my body part and I love all of me.
Yeah! Come on! Body song! Bop, 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 body, body, bop, 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 body, body, bop, bop. Tap my eyes, tap my ears, tap my nose, tap my mouth. Tap, tap, tap my body, bop, 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 everybody bop, bop. Bop, 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 body, body, bop, 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 body, body, bop, bop.
Shaking my head, shaking my shoulders, shaking my waist, shaking my hips, shaking, shaking, shaking my body, bop, 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 everybody bop, bop.
Bop, 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 body, body, bop, 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 body, body, bop, bop.
Touching my arms, touching my hands, touching my legs, touching my feet, touching, touching, touching my body, bop, 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 everybody bop, bop.
Yeah!